Hi, this is Shahryar, and recently we have been working on creating a lot of AI chatbots, calling agents, and other system-related automations as well. So we thought that let's start making a chatbot from the scratch, and let's document this journey from a basic beginner level chatbot to creating into a very high level advanced chatbot. So the idea behind this workflow right now is that we'll pass a basic level prompt to the agent, and we'll ask him to book a dinner for create a calendar invite basically for a friend with a friend of mine on a specific time and to his personal email. So I will go over here, open the chat, I'll paste my prompt asking to create a dinner invite for 10:30 8:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. tomorrow, and as soon as the workflow is done running, it will go over here and create an invite with my friend. So yeah, that's this was a very basic level chatbot, but we tend to create it into a much more advanced AI chatbot, which can do a lot more things than this. If you guys want to get your AI chatbots, AI agents, AI calling agents, or any sort of workflow automations run, do contact us, and we can jump on a quick call and we'll start right away. Thank you.